Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best easy-to-set alarm clock for seniors you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many easy-to-set alarm clock for seniors and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each easy-to-set alarm clock for seniors so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an easy-to-set alarm clock for seniors. First, look for clocks with large, clear displays that show time and date in bold numbers to make reading easier. Second, ensure the buttons are big and simple to press with clear labels for setting alarms quickly. Third, consider clocks with adjustable brightness and volume controls to match personal comfort and hearing levels. Fourth, choose models with backup batteries so they still work during power outages. Finally, clocks with voice or vibration features can be helpful for those with hearing or vision challenges. Selecting a clock that is simple, reliable, and user-friendly will make daily routines smoother and more stress-free for seniors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.